Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now.
Y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another day of Vlogvember. I'm putting on some deodorant. Your girl can't be musty. Trying to figure out how to do this without y'all seeing me. But I'm about to go and meet with my vendor. I found a new vendor possibly, so I need to go and see if they'll be a good fit. And if so, I have to get some stuff, which I'm gonna take y'all along with me for that. I don't think I just wiped off a lick of deodorant. I just did my hair and I put some lashes on. Beauty on a budget, because I want to be an expensive high maintenance girly, but your girl in that. And I gotta take care of my responsibilities, and then I can do that. But for right now, we're gonna figure out how to do everything ourselves and save a lot of coin, because we build a generational wealth, okay? Think far-sighted, not near-sighted, boo. I need to get in the car. I'm spraying some rose water. I always like to do this before I leave. It just, I mean, well, at night too, any day, not before I leave, but especially when I'm leaving, because I put on some oil earlier, but sometimes you just need a little bit more. Need a little bit more. No, my mama being so loud. Gotta keep the branding on deck. Gotta keep the branding. Remember why you do it. Let's get in the car. Told you y'all was gonna see this. My best friend got me this for my birthday. Every day. And she got me a little cover. Okay. In the car we go.
All I can say is holy. Can't get this on my chest. A2000 EST. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. Yeah. I need peace. I need love. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. Yeah. Switching while I'm lane switching. Hold on, let me put my turning signal.
If you don't get
A lot of clothes.
Tamara, they not about to close. Get a sister, they said. Not me zoomed in. What? Oh, them curls popping though. Like we was in the car talking and shit. And you over here rush. First of all, they closed at, oh, they closed at 4. Gotta get in here. First stop, Fabric Mill. Let's see what they got. She was right. They are about to close. I did not know. I got like 30 minutes. Let's see. Hurry it up. Oh, T, come through this. Huh? It's like a cottony. Okay, this girl just said this. Oh, for this one. What? How is that possible? Look at this. You didn't see this one?
No.
Okay, T. You might have did something with this pic.
That's definitely giving winter.
Can you come on, get it? Help me.
First of all, you need to put that down.
Okay, hold it for me. Thank you. Watch me struggle. Or not.
These two, baby, huh?
I think, oh, like, look at that.
I don't like the blue anymore.
I like the texture. It's not so much the color. I don't know if I like this tan though still.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I have to like look to see, make sure it's thin, which it is, so that I can like still. This is just so soft. It's a like new collection. Love it. Yeah. What are you doing?
Don't get me on that thing.
Girl. You acting like I got you act like I got germs or something. We leaving, y'all. Roses.
No, we ain't.
Rosa. Let's see. Roses. Come on.
Hey man, what up?
Where are we?
You don't know.
We just, I rebuke. I rebuke everything in here. Where are we going?
Home.
Yes.
No, we just got to find
Why are you telling him?
F2.
No.
What? You just asked me where. What? Confusion. That's of the devil.
We are going to her house. I need to drop her off, and then I need to go. We're in traffic right now. I ended up going back to my old vendor just for a second, and I went to like 3 different places. I think I already showed y'all that, but okay, we you know, some good prospects, I would say. So yeah. Okay, light screen, gotta go by.
Damn it! That
What
one's
did you
juice.
forget?
That's fine.
OJ?
Yep.
I really just dropped y'all. I sure did. Yeah, I'm back home. I came down here to get the fabric out the car to show y'all, and then I left my fabric in the car with my keys upstairs. Listen, then this was on my bed. Y'all, I was just running up here to freaking get a vlog up for 7 p.m. Like, I did not have a vlog like pre-scheduled like I have been, and it's November 15th. So, maybe that vlog was like 15 minutes late, but it got up though. Okay, committed. I need some ice in here. Let me go get my keys. We're gonna set it down on the table. About to heat up this pizza. I just put some ice in here. I just threw a little bit of, most of this in here is trash. I need this. I gotta print a pattern out, which I asked my best friend to do for me, and she ain't remember to do it. So now I gotta struggle to do it. Yeah. I made this dress. If you are new and you didn't know that, anytime you see this, I made it. So I'm gonna show y'all what fabric I got. So this is called wadding or batting. This is like, I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with this, but for right now we're gonna put that on the floor. I got a couple of things. I'm trying to figure out if I want to just turn my camera around. I think I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see, but then at the same time you won't get my reaction, you know what I mean? Y'all, this is the pretty, and it's so soft. My best friend picked this out, and I love it because whoever put this together, they fused it with this like knit kind of material, so when I sew or cut it, it won't really come apart, you know what I mean? Or maybe you don't, but for a sewist, this is like a dream, okay? But anyway, so this is the first like bag material. You can make this as a jacket. Like, I could do an endless amount of different things with this, and I'm really excited about it. Then I got this lining, which is just like a cottony. It matches the zippers, so I got some new zippers, and this color matches perfectly with all the material. Then this is the lining. Then my best friend also picked this out, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. But I need to like wash everything because the store was giving, okay? And yeah, so we're gonna wash all these separately. So I'll probably do that tonight because I'm gonna cut up everything and situate it tomorrow. First of all, let me show you the texture. Can y'all see the texture in this? Like I don't think you can see it. This for Christmas? For the makeup girlies? Stop playing. Don't even play with me. I did that. Or I guess my best friend did, whichever. This is the one I picked out. She did not like, she gonna say, yes I did. She did not like this one. I thought this was just the cutest thing. The cutest little, like, look at that texture. That, I'm gonna make, this is probably only enough to make like 2 bags, because I got, I think, half a yard. Can't wait to make something out of this. But all this is about to go back in here because I'm about to go wash it, but I gotta print what I need to print. Right now I'm just waiting on my pizza. I'm downstairs. My mama left, I don't know where she went. She said she ain't say. And I know Autumn, my dog, needs some food, so I think she would go get that and go somewhere else. But got my laptop. I'm about to start sitting down here more often, honey, because being in my room cooped up, as my grandma would say, ain't good for you. It ain't good for you, baby. Get out the house. Don't be cooped up. Why my pizza smell like it's burning? I don't think it's been 15 minutes. It ain't really that fast. It's just no way. Anyway. But yeah, I got the video up. I'm so happy about that. I was stressing. Y'all don't understand. This is a lot. But we pushed through. It's really only a lot for me with Vlogvember because I feel like my videos are not as like up to par as usual. And I guess it's like, well, when you're in Vlogvember, that's really the test to see like what can you really, like when you are short and down on time, like what can you really put together for real? Like, and I'm pretty much like all out of pre-filmed content, so I have to re-up on the pre-filming, you know what I mean? Like I got like 4, I think I have 2 videos fully recorded, and then I started a video today which was like my maintenance on a budget, and I have yet to like finish it because I just got home. I left around 1 something, got back at 6. But anyway, I feel like at this point I'm just rambling because we need as much footage as we could get, babe. But I'm just so, can I say elated? Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what does elated mean? Ecstatically happy. Okay, yeah, I'm so elated. I had to make sure that was a word. Y'all, I'm about to say I'm a little, okay. Girl, we done with you. Anyway, I'm very elated. Like I'm just, it's like, that's how I feel. That's literally how I feel. And I'm starving. I can't wait for this pizza to be out. It's technically called flatbread, but it's pizza to me. I need to print out this pattern. But yeah, y'all, I want to say that's really it for real. Like, I thought you was gonna hear the ice. I guess not. It's gonna pop.
How is it corrupted?
Girl, I don't know. I don't keep up with all that. Girl, I'm down here printing because somebody forgot to print for me. And now I got to struggle on this old industrial printer. And you laughing? You're laughing right now.
Are you printing on yours?
No, I gave that away to Goodwill. I told you that.
Oh, I forgot.
My mama, she got this old industrial printer.
She gonna get you.
And she ain't, cause she ain't gonna know. She don't watch my videos, so she ain't gonna know, period.
Is she there?
No, she ain't here.
Right.
You know she. I'm downstairs. She ain't here.
I know. I can tell.
Got my pizza, y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Got plenty more to do. Plenty more coming up. I got another market coming up. More prep coming up. Gotta make these bags. So, what else coming? Maintenance on a budget. A couple other things. Holla at me. See you tomorrow, sweet pea. Bye.
What I need to print out?
I already sent it to you.
You didn't. You said, can you print it out, please?
Tamara, look at the whole message before you try to come for me. I sent you everything.